How's it going, everybody? Today I have something pretty special to show you guys. Some of you guys that are big Sig fans may have seen these before. It wouldn't surprise me if a lot of you haven't seen one before. But this is a Sig P229 Sport. And I got my hands on this to show you guys because I thought it would be super cool. Because I've never really held one or had one up close. It's definitely a rare piece of Sig history. And pretty damn cool gun on top of that. It's compensated 229 from the factory, and the barrel is probably a good, let's see, inch and a half longer than a standard 229 barrel with the comp. You'll see it comes up just to the end of the compensator inside there. And yeah, this is just a super cool gun. I want to say they started making these, I don't know if it was before they started the X series or at the same time in the beginning, but this is one of the original Sig sporting guns. It's in double action, single action, and yeah, I can't get over how cool this thing is. It's in 350. This one's in 357 Sig. The mags come with aluminum base plates. They hold 10 rounds of 357 Sig, and it comes with 2 mags. It has an extended mag release. It's got this really funny slide lock that sticks out almost vertically on it, which makes it easy to drop, but easy to ride with your thumb. Adjustable rear sight. The sights are 3-dot sights, and it's got the legacy slide. And I believe these are Hogue grips, but it's pretty cool because they say Sig arms on them. They may not be Hogue, but they really look like the Hogue rubber grips. And yeah, this has been maybe fired maybe 1 or 2 mags from the original owner that had it. And it came with all the cool stuff from the factory. I mean, this is about as complete as you can get. The old school trigger safety lock from Sig. Shot lock, pistol lock, a little Sig baggie with the Sig sight tool and some stuff for the comp. And one of the coolest things, just like my X5, not this, but it came with the trigger tag, the instructions on how to take apart the comp and to maintenance it, in English and in German. The original owner's manual, and this is what's one of the coolest things, is the original test target. So, not much else to say. I don't think I'm going to shoot this. It's in too good a shape. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. And if you've never seen it before, here's a new Sig for you. Pretty science fiction looking with the comp, and just a really, really cool piece of Sig history. Single action is nice and buttery, but it does not have the SRT yet. Just the normal old school Sig internals. But that's that. Just wanted to show you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about it, let me know down below in the comments, and we'll see you later. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them below in the comments section. If you haven't already, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking that little circle that pops up there. And remember, if you're looking for a new pet or animal, please adopt. There's thousands of animals looking for a new home, and that home could be with you. Have a good night, everybody. Thank you.